ashy and trashy. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Debbie and this is my channel, Miss Deb. So this channel is all about beauty, makeup, lifestyles, basically where I share all my favorite things, and if you'd like to join the family, go ahead and subscribe now. So along the lines, I've learned a lot of makeup and beauty hacks that I think will be quite useful for every woman. And of course these hacks are black girl friendly as well. Let's get started. Have you ever traveled somewhere and you literally forget to bring your setting spray? Well, a little hack that you can do is you can set your face with your face wipes. All you have to do is put your face wipes right on your face and just press it into your skin after doing your makeup. The wipes will add enough moisture to make your makeup not look ashy, and even if your makeup doesn't last all day, at least you don't look ashy and trashy. This one is for my black girls and wig lovers all over the world. If you ever wear a closure wig and your pattern starts to get a bit wide, a little hack that I love to do is I love to use a little bit of eyeliner to just paint a straight line where there is no lace. That will give an illusion that there's hair there. So if somebody's looking at you, they can't see that your lace closure is losing hair. It's just so handy and you get to just slay like any other day. As ladies, sometimes we're going to have a top that's see-through. It could be traditional wear, it could be everyday wear, and you just don't want everybody to see everything. So a great solution that I've always done since I was like 15 or 16 is that I always take a pair of tights, I always cut it at the top, and I always wear it right underneath. That way, when I wear the top, you can't see anything. You can do this with black tights and you can do this with nude tights. If you've been watching my channel for a very long time, you would also know that I use tights for other things as well. If you ever find yourself running out of wig caps, you can definitely also make a wig out of a pair of tights. I have a video on that which is also going to be linked down below. And you can definitely check that out after watching this video. And if you're just wearing a top that just exposes your nipples, what you could do is you could just take a little panty liner. You can just cut a simple circle out of it and just stick it right where your nipples would be, and it's not going to budge because of the sticky back. Hello? Is that the Chinese? I'd like you to come pick up the order you just delivered. Why? Because I got too much sauce. Now this hack I learned super randomly. I think I just tried it out and I saw that it was working, and then I got my brother on it as well and he started using it. This was like years and years ago. If you have a huge spot on your face somewhere, or you just have a little bit of pain somewhere where you can feel that a spot is about to pop up, a little hack that you can use is pseudo-cream. Pseudo-cream is the best thing for getting rid of unwanted spots and blemishes on your face. All you have to do is put it on your face, maybe during the day if you're not going anywhere and you're just going to chill and lounge around your house, or you can put it on your face before you go to bed and sleep with it on overnight. The next day the spot would have either reduced in size significantly or it would have just completely disappeared. Something that I suffered so dramatically with this last winter were my lips. My lips were so dry and flaky and they were just absolutely disgusting. If you put a little bit of rub or any other type of oriental balm on your lips and you go to sleep and you wake up, by the time you wake up, all the dead skin on your lips will just flake and fall right off. And then you're left with a super smooth and moisturized chap-free lip. At events, everywhere I go, and everybody's like, how come your face is not like super oily? Like, if I tell you guys my secret, you guys will literally laugh. So you add your primer, adding a little bit of translucent powder to your face really helps barricade your face against all the oils coming out of your pores, and it helps your makeup last 10, 12, 14 hours sometimes. It stops your face being so oily. So primer first, then translucent powder, then foundation, then you're good to go. Sometimes when I dress up, I love feeling like a girly girl. I want to pose and I want to glow. Now the perfect thing, now a lot of people think that if you're a black girl, you don't need any fake tan, but that is lies. Lies, I tell you.
Not on my watch.
Just get a little bit of fake tan, rub it on your legs, and because it's so similar to our skin tone, it acts as a form of makeup for your skin, and all you do is you just glow. Your pictures look flawless. Your skin, your legs are glowing. Your arms are glowing. It's amazing. I should mention, when you shower the next day after wearing fake tan, don't forget you wore fake tan. Because one time I did, I was like, Debbie, you're so dirty today. And I was like, oh yeah, I wore fake tan. A product that I'm so obsessed with using to remove my makeup is coconut oil. All you have to do is rub a little bit of coconut oil all over your face and then use your makeup wipes, and everything just slips and slides right off and you're good to go. Before, I used to do this thing where I used to tweeze them and I'd sit there and pluck every individual hair just to get them to be the perfect shape. Are you tired of just being in so much pain for no reason? Well, I've got the perfect hack for you. So what I've been using for a while now, guys, is I've been using hair remover cream to keep my brows in check. All you have to do is get you a hair remover cream that's for sensitive skin, and you have to make sure that it's dermatologically tested also, so it's not going to make you break out or anything like that. And then just make the shape you want, and in 5 to 10 minutes you're ready to scrape it off. It's advised that after you do this, you wash your face so that you can get all the chemical out of your face and you can go about doing the rest of your makeup. If you want your false nails to last a week or even longer, all you have to do is file the nail properly before you apply the glue and the fake nail. And the reason why you do this is because your nail beds naturally have moisture that stops the glue from sticking properly. So when you file the nail properly, the way they do in the salon, it helps the glue have a better grip to your nail, which in turn makes your falsies last so much longer. So give that a try, guys, and let me know how you get on. If you're like me and you're so guilty of always leaving your face wipes open to the point that they end up getting so dry, a perfect hack is you can get a little bit of micellar water and you can just pour it into your face wipes. Don't pour too much now, just a little bit. By the time you need the wipes again, it'll be perfectly moisturized again to remove all the makeup on your face. I struggle with growing my eyelashes. Like, it's a real struggle for me. But a little hack that I learned on Pinterest is Vaseline. All you have to do is get a little applicator, a little spoolie applicator, and just dip it in your Vaseline and just apply it to your lashes every night. Another thing that actually works really well for your eyebrows and your eyelashes are oils. The stimulation just really helps the hair follicles and then they will start to grow. Taking supplements also helps, guys. Remember the time I took biotin and I grew hair like honestly. A little problem that a lot of makeup lovers have is that you just can't keep your beauty blender clean because it just rolls all over the place in your makeup bag. But a little hack that I've done is I've found the perfect container for my beauty blender. I went into Tiger and I got a little bit of an egg slime thing, and what I use it for is I took the slime out of it, of course, and I just use it to store my beauty blender. I also got another option which can work for you guys if you can find something else like this, which is a little jar that you can just put your beauty blender in. This protects it from all your other makeup items and it doesn't get messed up as you move around as well. Now when it comes to cleaning my beauty blenders, and my brushes. A little hack that I always use is Dettol. Dettol is an antiseptic that works amazingly. You can use it to have your bath. You can use it to disinfect things. It's just an amazing all-round product. Pour a little bit of fairy liquid or any dish detergent that you use into a bowl. Add a bit of warm water, a little capful of Dettol into it, and let it soak for about 30 minutes. The best results are when you let it soak overnight. All the makeup will fall right out of your beauty blender and right out of your brushes when you're washing your brushes. So the next day, they're squeaky clean and ready to go. So guys, those were some of my favorite beauty hacks. I hope you guys learned something new. If you did, comment down below. If you've heard of some of them before, let me know which ones you've heard of. And if you have any hacks that I don't know and you want to share, drop them down below. I would be super... If you have any hacks that I don't know that you want to share, drop them down below. I would be super happy to read them. Like, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And check out my last video, which was my Fashion Nova first impressions review. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!